Okay, I've just come across to a Microsoft forum and there's just a question that's come up on the forum here. Need help writing the formula. I need help writing the formula for the below table that will express the correct points when the number of hours is put into a cell. Above 10 points is 0, 8 to 9.9 is 2, 6 to 7.9 is 4, 5 to 5.9 is 6, and below 4.9 is 8. Okay, so I think we'll just do kind of a nested if statement for this. Will probably be best. The only thing is there's a gap between things like 9.9 and 10. So if what do you do in a situation of 9.95, for example? So we'll just put an assumption in here. They can amend it if need be because I think they're missing it everywhere here. So yeah, 7.9 and 8 is the next one here. So what do you do with 7.95? So one of them has to be less than or equal to. So we'll just put an assumption in here. So we can just make a set of numbers here first. I think we need to do something like equals if B3 is greater, well, we can put greater or equal to 10, greater or equal than 10, then put 0. And then a nested if, so if that's false, we'll put another if. B3 greater or equal to 6, then put, sorry, greater or equal to 8, put 2. If B3 is equal to 6, then we'll put 4 points. And then if B3 is greater or equal to 5, then we get 6 points. Otherwise, 8 points. Let's close brackets off. I think that should work. Let's drag that down. I think that's looking good initially, so let's have a look. So if it's above 10, it's 0. We're saying if it's 9.95, for example, it's still 2. Yep, so that works with that one. I think that works fine. Anything below 4.9 is 8 points. Oh, yeah, 4. Yeah, so that's fine. So if that was 4.9, even if that's 4.99, we should have 8. Yep, I think that works fine. Perfect. I think that's the formula. So can delete that here. They can just literally have a formula here, have a cell here to enter their number into. So 10 will be 0, 20 should still be 0, 9.95 should be 2, 7.95 should be 4. That's fine. 6 is 4. Yep, I think we're fine. Let's drop that formula in to change it from here to change these to A1 for them. Just make it easier. Change each of these to A1. Try this formula. It should work. And let's post that. There you go.